Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable flash for notifications on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So this feature basically allows you to see a flashlight. You'll see your flashlight blinking whenever you receive a notification on your device. So to enable this feature, simply open Settings. And then within the settings, scroll down and select additional settings. And then scroll down and find the accessibility option. Tap on it. And then tap on hearing category, select that. And then you should see this option beam for notifications. So select that. And then since you want to enable the camera flash or the flash, simply tap on the toggle switch icon. And then whenever you receive a notifications, you can see your light blinking. So you can tap on preview to see how it looks like. So if you select preview, that's how it looks like whenever you receive a notification. So that's basically it on how to enable camera flash for notifications on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.